Are you still adding your website leads manually to the Google Sheet? Then watch this video till the end. So right here I'm going to fill my website form having the user's full name as demo user, email as demo user @pabblytudes.com, and here I have provided the phone number. Now let me submit this form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check for the data. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this data of the user having the full name, email and the phone number which I have just filled over my website form. So this shows that my integration is working properly. And here as I'm filling the website form, the data is automatically added to the Google Sheet of my newly received lead. And as a business owner, I don't have to manually check for the leads again and again. So now you can also create this automation for adding your website leads to the Google Sheet instantly. And for that, you have to create an automation using an amazing automation tool called as Pabbly Connect, by using which you can integrate varieties of applications and automate your entire business task. And now you don't have to do anything manually because Pabbly Connect is there for you. And let's create this amazing automation. So for that, you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab that is going to be pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as Webbook by Pabbly, by using which I'm going to connect my website form with the Pabbly Connect so that we can automatically add our website leads to the Google Sheet. So here I'm going to select this application. Now let's select the app event as Catch Webbook. Now let's build the connection, and right here we are getting this Webbook URL which I'm going to add to the code of my this website form, which you can see over here. So now let's move on towards the code of my website form. So right here I'm on the code of my website form where after this word fetch I'm receiving this dummy URL which I'm going to replace with Webbook URL which I have just received from the Pabbly Connect. Now let's save it to this code. And now my website form leads will be fetched in this particular webbook. And this is the webbook of the Pabbly Connect, means the data will be captured by our Pabbly Connect. And right here on my Pabbly Connect, you can see it is waiting for the webbook response. So now let's fill our website form and receive a new lead. So here I'm going to provide the full name of my user as smart user, email as smartuser @pabblytudes.com, and here I have provided the phone number. Now let's submit this form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to see whether we are receiving the data of my lead or not, as we have just added the Webbook URL in the code of our website form. And right here you can see that I have received this response, that is response A. It consists of all the data which I have filled over my website form. So now we are having the data of our website lead. Now I'm going to add this lead to my Google Sheet. So here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheet. Now let's select the app event as add new row and build the connection. So right here we are on the connection page where for building a new connection you have to sign up with your Google account. But right now I'm going to use my existing connection. So here I have selected it, and here you can see that the connection has been built in. And now we have to select the spreadsheet. So right here I'm going to select my this spreadsheet named as website leads. And now we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the full name. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly Connect that is called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these details from the response which I'm receiving from Webhook by Pabbly, which is my previous application. And for mapping the field, you just have to press the slash symbol. And right here, we are getting our previous application. So here I'm going to map my full name. Now let's map the email address. So here I have mapped it. Now let's map the phone number too. So here I'm going to map the phone number too. And now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to be replaced with every new single form submission received over your website form. And now you don't have to manually add the data to the Google Sheet or change this data again and again, because here we have the method of mapping. And now let's save this and send this test data to the Google Sheet. So as I have clicked over the save and send test request button, here we are receiving this positive response which states that the data might be added to the Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet and check for it. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet named as website leads, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this data, and it consists of the same full name of the user, email and the phone number which I have just filled over my website form. So this shows that we have successfully captured our website lead in the Google Sheet. And now as soon as someone will fill your website form, the data will be automatically captured, and now you don't have to manually check for the leads again and again. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect and make your business task more easier and less time consuming. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you the most heaviest discount compared to other coupon codes. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.